To create signature in Outlook, I am on the Outlook web right now. You want to open your Outlook and come over to the settings here. I'll click on the settings sign, and from the search settings, I'm going to start typing signature, and you see that email signature came up. I'll click on email signature, and you can see that I have no signature yet. So to create my first signature, I'm going to click on add signature here, and I will start to write out the name that I will use to know my signature, because you can have more than one signatures to pick from. I will say this one is test, and I will come to the body and I will start to type out what I want the signature to have. Now that I have my text ready, another thing I can do is that I can actually format this text to look more presentable than it looks now. I'll come to this one and go to font to see if I can find a better font I want to use. I'm going to choose this Arial Black, and I'll come to the Creative Educator, and I want to choose a font that works for me. I like to keep things comic, and I'll go to this line here, and I want to choose the same signature I chose for my name, which is Arial Black. And if I also want to add link to this signature here, I would select this text here and do Ctrl K, which brings up this window for me to insert my link, which I will do right now. I will insert the link. I will change the font color to black. Once I have this out of the way and I've written everything how I want it to appear when I close my emails, you can choose to set it as a default for new messages or set it as default for replies and forwards. If you want to do that, you just check this and check this also to set that, but I like to leave mine as empty so that I have the option to choose the signature I want to use. Once you're happy with this, you're going to click on save. We've added our first signature, which is test here. You can continue to build out other signatures from here, but I will work with this test one. If you want to come back and edit, you can also come here and edit this signature. And let's close out and test it out in our new email. So I'm going to click on new email, and I'm done typing my text, and I want to add this signature. What I usually do, because I have multiple signatures I use, I go to insert here, and you see you have the option to insert signature. I click on insert signature. You see from here it's only showing one because it's just one signature I've created now. I'll click on test, and it puts in my signature beautifully into my email.